y'all, hey, it's your girl Lala, and today me and my son wanted to do a review for you guys over all the wild and exotic snacks we could find on DoorDash from Dashmart. Today we found the Rico's Chamoy pickles, sour grapes and sour pineapples, the squiggly Mexican spaghetti candy, and the viral pistachio Dubai chocolate. So we hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. Hey everybody. Say hey.
Hey.
Today, me and Kai are trying foreign and weird snacks. We found all of our snacks on DoorDash. We actually got all of our snacks from Dashmart. So we're going to show y'all what we got. You want to go? Tell them what this is.
These are sour grapes.
Yeah, these are sour grapes. Fruit Riots. We've had these before. They're really sour, but they're really good. These are sour pineapples. We've never had these before. I'm excited to try those. These are TWIX caramel center cookies. I believe these are Korean or Asian. I'm not sure. One of them. And then we have the Squinkles spaghetti. That's Mexican candy. We have Chamoy pickles. And these are actually the Rico brand. So I'm excited about that. I bet they're going to be good. And then lastly, we have the Dubai chocolate. Come over there. It's Kadaif chocolate with pistachio. This is the viral TikTok chocolate that's going around. It is definitely not grass, like everybody keeps saying. It is pistachio and Kadaif. So, what are we trying first?
That.
Okay.
Save the black chocolate.
Okay, so we're gonna try the chamoy pickles first. This is how it looks right out the pack. It is red because of the chamoy. We're gonna try this first. Let's do it.
I'm gonna take a bite out of mine first so I can make a hole. Okay. I like it. That's good. I think I might like this better than a regular pickle. What's that? It's real good. It's not spicy at all. It's. Explain it. It's like a regular pickle. I mean pickle. But it's like more. Like. It's more like sweet. Yeah, it's not hot. It has spicy. And it's really red. So normally what we would do is we would wrap the outside of our candy pickles with fruit roll-ups, but we didn't do that. And then you take a spoon and you just scoop out as majority of the middle of the pickle as you can. I just push mine down. I scoop out like the top and then I just like hollow it out. Let me do it. You got it. Put the plate on the table. You want to come here. And once you have like a hole in the pickle, then you can stuff your we like Cheetos in ours and the squinkles, the squinkle spaghetti. So we normally wrap it and stuff them. I like hot Cheetos in mine. He like regular Cheetos in his. And then we stuff the squinkles inside and the Cheetos, and then we put some more chamoy on top and we put tahini on it. But we didn't do all that today because this was the first time trying our chamoy pickles. You can put your squinkles in there. So this was our first time trying chamoy pickles. So we really wanted to taste the pickle before we did everything else. But the pickle alone by itself is good. Oh, and the squinkly spaghetti, it comes with chamoy. It comes with a little bag of chamoy. So when you get it, don't worry, you can eat it. That's what you sprinkle on top of it. So that's what we about to do. It does make a little mess. That's how it looks. That's how it looks on the inside. Once you get everything stuffed in there. Loaded and ready. Cheers. Here we go. Cheers. That's good. Whoa, there's so much going on, but it is good. I'm making a mess. What's your rate this? 9. Definitely a 9.
Next, we are going to be trying the TWIX caramel centers. I like TWIX, so I'm excited. I like caramel and I like cookies. So, let's do it. Here you go. And I'm coming to show y'all how they look, of course.
So this is how the cookie looks. It does have caramel in the middle, in the center, like it says. But there you go. Cheers.
Oh. It's a little hard though.
It's open.
But what I paid for these cookies.
I think it was open.
It wasn't. They're a little too hard for my liking. And they taste like a Twix, but I'm not a fan of the hardness of the cookie. I'll give it like a 3. The caramel's there, but the taste isn't what I was expecting, and the cookie is hard. What you give it?
1.
A 1? Yeah. Boo. We didn't like that.
Yeah. These are the grapes. We like the grapes. Kai loves the grapes, so we're not going to go through those. I haven't tried the pineapple, so I'm going to try the pineapples, but Kai doesn't like pineapple, so he's going to eat a grape. I'm going to eat a pineapple.
All right. Today, Junior.
Oh wait.
Come on. I'm gonna have to edit these. Let me just stop the video.
It's gonna be funny.
No.
Yes.
This is how the pineapple looks. You have to get closer.
It's red and green.
Yeah, yeah, they have red and.
Y'all want a non-reaction video? 3, 2, 1. Cheers. And last but not least, dun, 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 dun. So let's get into it. Let's see. That's how it looks. That wasn't the best pull.